Stand still. That is the status of sports generally in Jamaica, and more significantly, of the top football league, the Red Stripe Premier League. See it here? Stand still. This, of course, is due to the corona pandemic. And if we look at the rising numbers, it is safe to say that except for horse racing, no more sports now keep in Jamaica till at least next year. This crisis, of course, is threatening not just the future of a lot of young Jamaican footballers who are losing opportunities for overseas contracts and scholarships, etc., but it is effectively wiping out the entire football economy. Earnings for players and coaches and managers and all the other support services that owe their very existence to football, all of that dead. No, yes. We see where there are plans to organize some kind of semi-bubble tournament to salvage the RSPL season. But again, the numbers will have that under pressure, not just of the rising cases, but it will not be easy to come up with the money numbers needed to put even a mini bubble in place. Things not pretty right now, and things are not moving. In other words, local football is at a standstill. See that? See that? Local sport is at a standstill. Stand still. Stand still.